played her. Said she needed a date night sooner than later. Sought another brand night, he was a waiter. Thought he was a great guy till he betrayed her. Working through the deadline, fighting her nature, hoping that the midnight gonna persuade her. When she's in the spotlight, she'll be in layers. When she's on the next flight, she'll be in prayer.